Hi guys, my name is Philip and I'm a front-end developer. In today's video, we'll be explaining how to use a weather API in Android Studio. So, if you're building an Android app that requires real-time weather data, you'll probably need to use a weather API. The first step is to download Android Studio from their official website by clicking the Download Android Studio button, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and selecting the correct version of Android Studio for your device. Once you're done with downloading and installing Android Studio, you can open Tomorrow.io, where you'll have to register for an account and log in. The registration process shouldn't take more than a few minutes, allowing you to get your API key, which you will be then able to use in the Android app. So, once you're done with the registration, feel free to log into the Tomorrow.io dashboard and head out to API Management, where you can find your API key. Then, you have to create a project with Android Studio. Simply create new project, press empty activity, name your project, let's just name it Tomorrow Weather App, and finish the project. Now, once we're done with the project initialization, we have a few steps we need to complete. The first step is to open the build Gradle file and include the OK-HTTP3 library. You can find the build Gradle file under app build Gradle. Make sure to paste it here. Save it, and you will have to sync the project with the latest version of the Gradle file. Press on sync now. Then the next step is to open the Android manifest, which you can find under app, source, main, Android manifest. Make sure to paste the following code here. This is a permission that allows Android Studio to access the internet. Once you're done, simply save this and open the main activity. Now, all you have to do is copy and paste the code snippet we have in the article. Simply paste it here. And make sure to replace the API call with the correct location and the correct API key. You can find the API key here. Paste it. And you can provide the location here. Let's just say Miami. Once you're done, all you have to do is press on Run App. Now, keep in mind that on your first run, the building process might take a bit longer, but once the project gets initialized, it should be relatively quick. And that's it. Here's the weather information. As you can see, it's not correctly formatted but you can use it in your app very easily just by selecting the data field you want to show. In this response, we have data on the location we are fetching weather information for, including UV index, rain intensity, cloud base, cloud ceiling, and much more. And that's it. You now know how to use a weather API in Android Studio.